On this video, we're going to show one of the ways to draw a pressure plate. Okay. So having our dimensions in millimeters, we're gonna go metric, standard millimeters, and we say create. Once we are here, we're gonna go on circle. Okay. We're gonna start with our first circle, our second, our third. Right. So this first one here will be 25 millimeters. Okay. And then our biggest one, okay, will be 128. Our medium one will be 78 millimeters, so 78. Okay. Once we have that one, what we're gonna do next is we're going to draw this circle. So actually, this circle here is just for reference. Okay. Then we go like this. This one inside will be 15, 15, and the outside one will be 27, 27. Great. Okay. After that, what we're gonna do is we're gonna multiply the circle, so this one and that one, basically to draw what you're seeing there. Okay. To draw what you're seeing there, right? So we come back here. So from here to there, we're having 2.5 millimeters. So 2.5 millimeters, and the whole thing is actually 5 millimeters. So 5. Great. After that, we're going to multiply this circle here. So this and that around that. So we're gonna say axis. Okay. We multiply by 6. And then we say, okay, but before that, okay, let me not jump too much. Before that, we need to give dimensions here. So, the dimensions are already given. I'd forgotten. So, escape. So, we're going to multiply it. So, we come here, okay, this and that, okay, multiply by 6. There we go. And then we say, okay, okay. So, once we have this one, what we're gonna do next is we're going to trim everything that we don't need. Basically, so we're gonna trim this whole thing. So we're gonna trim this one, that one, that one, this one, and that one there. Okay. We come here again. We trim this one, that's one, that one. We trim there. Okay, everywhere basically. So they. Here, they, we trim there, we trim there, we trim there, here, okay. So there and there, right? So once we're done there, what we're gonna do next, we're gonna say 3D model. We come there, we're going to extrude. So we're going to extrude this whole part. So that one and that one, okay, by 7 millimeters. So we come here, we say 7, okay, it's extruded. Then we say okay. Then we come here, we're gonna make our sketch visible. So we right click on our mouse and say visibility on, okay. Then we come back again here, we say 3D model extrude. We're going to extrude that one plus this one, that one, that one, this one, and that one. Boy, now by 37 millimeters, so 37. Okay, so it's gonna go like that, and then we say okay. And then facing our drawing, come back here again, we say extrude. We click on this one and that one. We come on that one as well. We click there. We come here. We click there and there. Right here and here. Again, here and here. Here and here. Alright, so this one here needs to be elevated by 25 millimeters, so 25 millimeters, and then we said okay. Right, so now we have our full drawing. We can now remove all the visibility of the drawing, our sketch. So we come here, we say visibility off. And then we need to break the corners. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna select the corner there. Okay, and then we create that roundness there. So here, that's one as well. this one and that one. Okay, this one and that one. You come here, this one and that one, this one and that one. The same apply here and there. Okay, here and there. So this is your design. So now we apply roundness of having it a radius of 2 millimeters. So we say okay, right? So now you can choose the material. So I'm going to choose the material that's gonna make my drawing look beautiful. So I'm gonna come here and say carbon steel, or is carbon steel here. Apply. So there we go. It was a pleasure of mine sharing this video with you. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you're gonna enjoy it. So please don't forget to break this corner as well. You can break there and there. Okay. So let me break it for you. But don't forget to subscribe. Okay. And don't forget to share. And don't forget to like. If you have any question, don't forget to ask. You know, your question will always be welcome. And again, remember, there are lots more to learn on this channel. So see you on the next video. Bye.